Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Snipping Tool in Windows to record your screen. Open the Snipping Tool by searching for it in the Start menu. Pin it to the taskbar if you want quick access. By default, the Snipping Tool takes screenshots with the camera icon, but now you can also record your screen with the video camera icon. Click the video camera icon, then click New. Your screen will dim and you'll get crosshairs. Drag to select the area you want to record, then release. Before starting, you can enable your microphone or system audio from the toolbar if needed. Then click Start, and you'll get a countdown before the recording begins. During the recording, you can pause it or delete it if you want to start over. When you're done, click the red Stop button. The recording will appear in the Snipping Tool, and you can play it back. You can also trim the video directly inside the Snipping Tool. Click Save at the top right to save the video to your computer. From there, you can upload it to YouTube or share it anywhere. If you want more editing options, you can open the recording in Clipchamp. Here you can do a lot more with your video. You can also adjust your screen recording default settings according to your preference. That's it. That's how you record your screen using the Snipping Tool in Windows.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.